Release file types in SNOMED CT, the clinical dictionary with an electronic health and care records. SNOMED CT has 3 different options of release file type: full, snapshot and delta. Firstly, we'll explore the full release file type. Full, as it sounds, includes the complete history of every component that has been released in SNOMED CT. In the UK, this is since the 1st of April 2004, and internationally since the 31st of January 2002. The full release type utilises a log type audit approach on capturing change, and so contains every version of every component released. There is a row for each change of each component with a timestamp for each. Once issued, a row does not change. To inactivate a component, a new row is created with a timestamp and inactive status. In Boolean terms, 0 is inactive. To change a component, a whole new row is added below, containing the updated fields. If you require the full history of every component, the full release will be required as the initial download. This can be useful for analytics. A full release file type will be identified as such from the file name download. The snapshot release type contains just the latest row for every component without the history. All of the previous historic rows which we noted in the full release would not be included. Systems which use the snapshot will generally overwrite each snapshot with every new release. A snapshot release file type will be identified as such from the file name. Finally, the delta release file type contains only the new rows added since the previous release of SNOMED. Combining a delta with the previously downloaded full release will provide the current latest full release. It contains all the component versions created since the last release. Each component version included may represent a new component, a change to an existing component, or the inactivation of a component. If you have already downloaded the full previous release, the Delta provides you with the latest full release without the need to download the large full file. You would need to be robust in ensuring you do not miss a Delta release. For example, a full UK release 2019 in October plus a Delta UK release in April 2020 would give you a full UK clinical release April 2020. A Delta release file type will be identified as such from the file name. Where next? You might like to learn more about the release files format by watching the next animation in this series. For more information, visit our website, email our SNOMED implementation team, or search for NHS Digital or SNOMED CT on Twitter.